Hello students, now we will be solving memory-based questions of GATE 19. For more video solution on GATE 19, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for instant notification.
Hello friends, my name is Pranshu Mahajan, and in this video we are going to discuss a very basic question from natural convection. So obviously it belongs to heat transfer. So the question says a thin vertical flat plate of height L. So basically we are talking of this plate. And infinite width perpendicular to the plane. So this width is infinite. In the figure is losing heat to the surroundings by natural convection. The temperature of the plate and the surroundings and the properties of the surrounding fluid are constant. The relationship between the average Nusselt number and Rayleigh's number. So I hope you remember what is Nusselt's number. It is a dimensionless representation of coefficient of convection. And Rayleigh's number is the product of Grashoff's number and Prandtl number. Is given by Nusselt number is equal to some k into Rayleigh's number raised to power 1 by 4, where k is a constant. So Nusselt number is dependent on 1 by 4th power of Rayleigh's number. Now what I said is that Rayleigh's number is the product of Grashoff number and Prandtl number. Prandtl number is dependent on fluid properties, but Grashoff number, it is dependent on cube of characteristic length, right? Grashoff number is dependent on cube of characteristic length. So basically Rayleigh's number is dependent on cube of characteristic length. Now what we have is Nusselt number, Rayleigh's number raised to power 1 by 4. So basically Nusselt number is dependent on 3 by 4th power of the characteristic length. So this is what we have to remember. Now the length scales for Nusselt and Rayleigh's number is the height of the plate. So basically the characteristic length is L only. Now what they are asking is if L increases by 16 times, what is the ratio of initial and final H? So basically they are saying if initially the height was L, coefficient of convection is H1. If the height becomes 16L, coefficient of convection will be H2. So what is the final ratio H1 by H2? Okay. So I think let me rub the board first, then we will solve the question. So basically this is a one-step question only. We need to realize that Nusselt number is dependent on 3 by 4th power of the characteristic length. And Nusselt's number can be written in form of coefficient of convection also. How? HLC by K is equal to Nusselt number, or H is equal to Nusselt's number into K by LC. So from this we are going to find out the ratio H1 by H2. Okay. So what I am trying to say is that your Nusselt's number is equal to H into characteristic length by K, or your H is equal to Nusselt's number into K by characteristic length. K is not the constant mentioned in the formula. K is the thermal conductivity. Now Nusselt's number, which is dependent on 1 by 4th power of Rayleigh's number, where Rayleigh's number is dependent on cube of characteristic length. So I think you can also write H is directly proportional to characteristic length raised to power 3 by 4, representing the Nusselt's number, divided by characteristic length. So I think characteristic length raised to power 3 by 4 minus 1. How much is that? I think that is characteristic length raised to power minus 1 by 4. So your H is directly proportional to LC raised to power minus 1 by 4. This means your H1 by H2 is simply equal to LC1 minus 1 by 4 upon LC2 raised to power minus 1 by 4, or it is equal to LC2 by LC1 raised to power 1 by 4. I simply inverse the powers. Now your LC2 is 16L, LC1 is L, so this becomes 16 times raised to power 1 by 4, that is 2 only. So basically your H1 by H2 is equal to 2, or you can say by increasing the characteristic length 16 times your H is decreasing. Maybe it's because of formation of the bigger boundary layer. Okay, that can be the reason. So I hope you like the solution, and if there is any problem you can ask us. Try to share this question with more and more students, and thank you for watching the video.